Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add a contact tag in GoHighLevel. This is a powerful way to organize your contacts and trigger specific actions based on how they interact with your forms and links, making your workflow automation much more efficient. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password, so go ahead and type those in, then click Sign In. This will take you directly to your GoHighLevel dashboard, where all your automation magic happens. Now, from the left side menu of your dashboard, look for the option labeled Automation and click on it. This will direct you to the Workflows page, which is the control center for all your automated processes. Understanding how to use workflows effectively can save you countless hours of manual work. Once you're on the Workflows page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the plus Create Workflow button. An expanded menu will appear with a few options. Click on plus Start from Scratch to give yourself full control over the workflow. You'll immediately be directed to the Workflow Editor window where you'll build your automation. Here's where it gets interesting. We'll be using the Add Tag function to automatically assign tags to contacts whenever they submit a form or click a subscription link. Start by entering a name for this workflow at the top. Something like Automatic Tags works perfectly and keeps things organized. Now let's add the triggers that will activate this workflow. For the first trigger, select Forms Submitted from the trigger options, then click Save Trigger. This ensures that anyone who fills out one of your forms will be tagged automatically. Next, add another trigger by clicking Trigger Link Clicked and save that trigger as well. This covers contacts who engage through link subscriptions. For the next step, choose the Add Contact Tag action. On the right side panel, click the Tags field and select the two triggers we just added. This connects your triggers to the tagging action, ensuring that contacts from both sources receive the appropriate tags. Click Save Action to lock in these settings. Finally, save this entire workflow by clicking the Save button in the upper right corner of your screen. Your automation is now active and will automatically tag contacts based on their interactions with your forms and links. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.